Hello, and welcome to Alignment Chiropractic. My name is Dr. Taylor. I'm the lead physician here for a wonderful team of doctors, physicians, assistants, and people dedicated to making sure that you get the best quality care and treatment possible. I'd like to welcome you to our exam room. This is where the magic happens. This is where we sit down, discuss some things that exist in your history, and learn a little bit more about you and what brought you in here today. In just a few moments, one of our assistants will come in and we'll get some vital signs taken. Those vital signs will help us to understand exactly what's going on and where your body is and how your nervous system is doing controlling things like your heart rate, respiration rate, and sometimes even your oxygen saturation levels in your body. The next thing we'll do is a set of neurological diagnostic testing. Now, that may sound complicated, but what it really intends to do is to help us to identify where those problem areas are in your body and help get you better and more effectively treat those issues. There'll be 3 tests, and those 3 tests, one of them will be our thermography. We'll roll that test up your spine and help us to identify some hot spots, that subluxation that we're looking for, right? That misalignment in the vertebrae that causes pressure or irritation on the nerves that come out each side of your spine. Then we'll do a muscle scan. That's called an SCMG. And an SCMG will help us to identify where those problem muscle spasm areas are on either side of your spine. And the last test we'll do is called a PWP. And what we do with that is we put your hand in and we're going to measure your pulse, your temperature on the surface of your skin, and the sweat gland activity on your skin. And what that helps us to do is understand the stress level on your nervous system. We'll combine all 3 of those tests together, and that formulates what's known as a core score. And that core score will give us a big picture of how well your nervous system is doing today. The next thing we'll do is we'll make a determination on whether or not we need to do any further testing, any special testing like x-rays, or maybe even some advanced imaging if needed at that point. So sit tight, you're in good hands, somebody will be back here with you shortly, and we look forward to getting down to the bottom of the true reason why you're here today and helping you to work through some of those issues that brought you in. We look forward to working with you today, and thank you for choosing Alignment Chiropractic.